Why? Why? Go, Charlie. You can do it. Oh, you got the stick. You're fine. You're okay. Okay, here's the wifey. And okay, and here we are. So guys, we're about to climb here.
Okay, you can do it.
Oh, I can do it. Ah!
I can do it, you can do it.
Rolin, you can do it, Rolin.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go, Rolin. Keep moving, Rolin. Or else the bear will eat you alive. Oh, yeah. You will see, oh no, oh no. All right. So we're in the middle of nowhere, guys. Middle of the earth. All right. Here's the hiker people. Hiker people. Hiker couple. Guys, this is the trail that we're going. Let's go. Let's go, people. Are you having fun? So today, guys, we're going to hike. This is the people I'm with. Woo! All right. Remember, we're going to the hub. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Say hi to my vlog day. Hi. Hello again. After vlog, it's Charlie's fault. It's always Charlie's fault. Poor Charlie. Don't worry, I got the Skyflex for you. Only for you.
It's not gluten free.
Huh?
It's not gluten free.
Oh.
It's gluten full. Whatever this is. Winnipesaukee Lake. Hi guys.
Hi. We're
We're
there.
almost
We're
there.
almost in the top. We're in
Right?
the top, but it's not really.
Snack break.
Nap. Andun pa yung bawf.
Oh,
Andun pa yung bawf.
that's the view here.
Yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! Charlie, you got a nice view here. Okay, Charlie?
Oh, it looks like a nice blanket to lay on.
All right. All right. We got the nice view.
That's the castle in the cloud. Right there. Castle in the cloud. We reached the summit.
Couples, where are you?
We're on top of the mountain.
Top of the world.
What top of the mountain? What's the name of the mountain?
Bold nub.
Bald knob.
It's
Oh.
bold and the nub.
All right.
Yeah, it's a bold and nub.
It's the
What a nice
bowl.
view. And there's even another mountain over there. That's
Oh, don't worry
taller.
about the mountain. We worry about the mountain here.
There's a castle in the cloud over there.
Yeah, everywhere over there. There's a couple and there's Rollin is taking video. Yeah. Yay! There you are.
Tell
And
is our tour guide.
yeah.
Jelly.
Oh, wala ako.
Oh,
Oh. Woohoo!
baka
Oh.
naman din eh.
Oh, yan. Oh, ikaw na nga daw mag ano yun mga. Oh, and here I am.
Okay.
And here I am.
Here I am. There's the song for that, right?
Okay na. Woo! Oh, mag-TikTok na tayo dito.
Pag TikTok na kayo.
Oh, magdayang-dayang na TikTok.
O sige, dito na lang. Nagagamit yung tao.
Who?
Oy, diyan ka day. Smile.
Okay, tama na yan.
Okay, video daw. Galaw-galaw.
talaga akong talent sa ganyan. Din siya na.